directed numbers, then division, right? Then minus divide by minus, what is it? Plus, right? Then plus divide by plus plus, right? Then plus divide by minus is minus, right? Then minus divide by plus it's minus, right? So in division, if symbols are same, you can put plus. If symbols are different, you can put minus, right? So plus divided by plus, it's plus. Plus divided by minus, it's minus. Then minus divided by minus is plus. Minus divided by plus is minus, right? Okay. So